everyone, it's Kelsey with AIA Beauty Bundle, and I can't wait to share with you May's Beauty Bundle featuring Purlisse. Valued at over $100, you'll be getting all of this, and these are perfect additions to your summer skincare routine. Let's get started. Up first is the Pineapple Bright Cleansing Gel. I'm gonna use this to remove my makeup, and what I love about it is that it removes my makeup without stripping my skin of all of its natural oils. This cleansing gel is packed with key ingredients like pineapple to help purify pores and brighten skin, lemon, which reduces skin damage and inflammation, camu to help improve skin texture, and aloe vera to help calm and soothe sensitive skin and prevent signs of premature aging. This smells so good, you'll definitely be looking forward to this part of your skincare routine. Next, I'm going to be using the Matcha Green Tea plus Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. This mask has green tea, which is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes the skin and protects from signs of anti-aging. It also contains lemon that brightens your skin with a boost of vitamin C, white clay to tighten skin and purify pores, and white tea to soothe sensitive skin. Apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and chest. Let it set and then allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask with water in gentle circular motions to exfoliate. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Next, I'm going to be moisturizing my skin with the Pineapple Bright Gel Cream. This lightweight, oil-free gel cream is enriched with so many amazing ingredients like pineapple, vitamin C, camu, and aloe vera to calm inflammation, deliver intense moisture, visibly improve signs of aging, and purify your pores. Use this morning and night as a part of your daily routine for a healthy, supple, and soft complexion. To moisturize my skin, I'll be using the coconut oil and turmeric silky body butter. This full body spa treatment deeply moisturizes and hydrates your skin. The turmeric helps reduce inflammation, and the fruit extracts promote clarity, elasticity, and suppleness. First impression, this smells so tropical. I cannot wait to put this on and just imagine myself in paradise every day. Last but not least, you'll be getting the Scented Hand Sanitizer Mist Trio. These will remove germs, and they're infused with fruit extract oils which leave your hands feeling soft and clean. You'll be getting green tea ginger, watermelon lemon, and papaya turmeric. These are so travel friendly and they will definitely be going in all of my bags. I'm so excited for you guys to try all of these products. They have super clean ingredients which make me feel super good about using them. They smell amazing, they feel amazing, and if you want to get your own bundle, be sure to subscribe at AIBeautyBundle.com. Thanks for watching.